Welcome to Grill and Smoke BBQ. I'm Jeffrey. Today, I'm going to be doing up some ribeyes. I'm going to reverse sear them on the pitbossaustinxl and using a couple of my favorite rubs by Ribeyes. So, let's do this. Okay, so as you can see, I have two ribeye steaks. They're about a good inch and a quarter thick. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna do a base layer of the Ribeyes garlic jalapeno rub. I'm not using a binder today. Usually I would probably use some Dove sauce or Worcestershire sauce. But today I'm just gonna go straight on here with nothing. And it is a pretty good sized piece of meat, so you can be kind of liberal with the rub, but I'm not going to use too much. Then I'm going to go on with the Ribeyes beef rub. And this has a really good smell to it. You can really smell the pepper and everything that's in it. And as you all know, pepper and beef go hand in hand. And then I'm going to top it off with the Ribeyes pecan rub. This one is a little bit more coarse than the other two rubs. It ought to help give me a pretty good bark when I try to do the reverse sear on it. Then we're just going to flip it over, do the same thing. Jalapeno garlic. Then we're going to do the beef. Don't worry about getting them off on the side, because we're going to use that to get the sides of the steak. And then the pecan. As I said, I'm going to go ahead and get the sides. Okay. Now we're going to let this rest, wet a little bit. We're going to get the pit boss up to temperature, which we'll be doing at 250 degrees until we get ready for the reverse sear. And for the pellets, we're going to be using the pit boss mesquite and a little bit of a mixture of the pit boss fruit pellet. Be right back. Okay, we have the grill at 250. We're going to go ahead and put these on here. And we're going to check back on them, get them to an internal temp of about 115 to 120. And we'll take them off and get ready for the reverse sear. Alright, as I check these, they're hitting right at 120, about 122. So I'm going to go ahead and take these off. I'm going to crank the temperature up on this. High, and I've also opened that sear plate that's in here, and once I get it up to a high temp, I'll bring y'all back. Alright, we got this up to high. What I'm going to do is pretty much about a minute. Give it a turn, another minute, flip it, and do the same thing. Start my timer. And I'm going to leave it open while I do this. Go ahead and give it a twist. Flip it over. Them up. Give a kind of a look at it. See what it tastes like for a minute. Let it rest for about 10 to 15 minutes. Then we'll cut into it. Alright, so we got them done. About to go ahead and cut into them. Hopefully there should be around a medium rare, maybe went into medium a little bit. We'll find out and take a test. So let's get to tasting this. All right, so I'm gonna cut into this one, see where we're at. Cuts like butter. It's still a little pink. I would say it went more towards the medium side than medium rare, which is where I like it. This one's a little more pink than the other one, but let me go ahead and give it a taste. Yeah, tender. So here we go. Give it a taste. Definitely tender and juicy. You can really taste that Heath Rouse garlic jalapeno on here. And that beef rub is actually pretty good. And that pecan really helps. But the made a really good crust on this as well. Even the fat that was in it rendered down perfectly. Just that soft, melt in your mouth type of fat that's left that you just love to have. One more bite. That's good. So, in closing, I'd like to say thank you for joining me today. If you're not subscribed to the channel, click that subscribe button, ring the bell so you can know when I post any new material, and also throw a thumbs up out there if you like the material. If not, show me you really didn't like it, hit that thumbs down twice so I can really know you didn't like it. Outside of that, I'd like to thank y'all, and I'm out of here. Peace.